Welcome to everyone. I am SSC. Today I am going to explain about the measurement of power of three-phase circuit. Here the name of experiment, measurement of three-phase power by 2 wattmeter method, and measure the phase voltage, line voltage, neutral current and power factor. Power factor, we will calculate the power factor. Here you see the circuit diagram. This is the three phase star connected. Here this is the R phase. R phase, R means red phase. This is the Y phase means yellow. This is the B phase means blue. Here R phase is connected with an ammeter. Ammeter is connected in series. Here also ammeter is connected in series. Here and ammeter also connected in series. Here you see one ammeter is connected in series on the neutral wire, and here one lamp, 200 watt lamp is connected here. First phase 1 and phase 2. This is the phase 2 on 200 watt lamp, and here on phase 3 here 100 watt lamp. This load is known as the unbalanced load. Unbalanced load, and it is the star connected load. Unbalanced means the load is not given equal in all the phases. Here 200 watts, here 200 watts, here 100 watt. That is why it is called the unbalanced load. When unbalanced load, then we can measure the neutral current. Otherwise, it is impossible. Theoretically, practically, nearly zero. Here observation table is given here. B phase, I phase, IL, VL, here IL, W1, W2, W1 plus W2 and PF. Here V phase means the phase voltage. The voltage between the any phase and neutral is known as the phase voltage. Any phase and neutral, this is the any phase and neutral is known as phase voltage. We can measure the phase voltage, phase between the any phase and neutral. Any phase and neutral, any phase and neutral. And line voltage, the voltage or potential difference between the any two phases. This is the any two phases. This is the VL. This can be measured. We can measure VL from these two phases and VL from these two phases, VL from these two phases. Like this. The neutral current, here you see, this is a star point. This is the ammeter. Now we will measure by the help of multimeter the phase voltage, line voltage, and by the ammeter, this is the phase current, and this is the neutral current. In star system, VL is equal to V phase, and VL is equal to V phase, and in star system, VL is equal to root 3 V phase, and delta system VL is equal to V phase, and star system IL is equal to I phase. That is why it is written here IL is equal to I phase. Now we will do the experiment. How we will measure? Here you see the W1. This is the W1. This is the W2. CC means the current coil, PC means pressure coil. You see, this is the line, is the incoming line. M and C is shorted. That means current coil, pressure coil, one end is shorted here. This is the L is connected with the load, and this is the V point is connected with the third phase. Here also same connection. This is the M and C is shorted here. This is the L is coming to the load point, this point, and this is the V is connected with the third phase, and third phase is going to this load. This is the connection diagram, and neutral is connected with the ammeter. Let us see the experiment. How we will measure the power by 2 wattmeter method. This is our panel board for the measurement of three-phase power by 2 wattmeter method. Here you see, this is the W1, this is the W2. These are the 3 ammeters. Phase 1 R phase, this is the R phase. One ammeter is connected in series here. Same here, one ammeter, here also another ammeter, and this is the ammeter is connected with the neutral wire. You see, this is the W1. W1 is connected here. You see, this is the R phase. R phase is coming. R phase is coming. This is the M. This is the M point and C points. M and C shorted. This is the L point. L point is coming to the load, and this is the second phase. Second phase. This is the M, and C is shorted here, and this is the L point is going here. This is this load point, and this is the third phase. These are the junction point of third phases, and this is the load point, third phase, and this is the neutral. You see, this is the third. This is the star connected. This is the star point is coming to the ammeter here. This is the ammeter. This wire is coming. This is the ammeter. This is the neutral point. Now I am increasing the voltage. Say we can measure the voltage by the help of multimeter. This is the R phase. This is the neutral. So this is the phase voltage. I told the voltage between the any phase and neutral is known as phase voltage, and voltage between the any two phases is known as the line voltage. So I am going to measure first phase voltage. I am increasing the voltage by three phase variac here. This is the voltage is showing phase voltage 43, 50, 150 though. 150. We are taking 150. This is the 150. Multimeter is showing 150 volt. This is the phase voltage. So we can note down the data. Phase voltage 150 volt. Then this is the R phase. Then Y phase 155. Y phase 155 or 56. Multimeter is showing. Then B phase. This is the 156 volt. Y phase, B phase. Next, the VL, R and Y, R and Y, 269 volt, R and Y. This is VL. Then R and B. That means Y and B 272 volts. This is the VL. And R and B 268 volts. These are the line voltage. Here you see, this is the W1, this is the W2. So we can add these two, 141 and 142. That means 283 voltage, wattage is the total power consumption of the three-phase line with respect to phase voltage 150 volt or 155 volt. So all the data we have collected: phase voltage, line voltage, and line current. You see the line current 0.265 R phase. This is the phase current or line current. This is the Y phase current 0.61 ampere, and B phase 0.6. This is the line current or phase current. This is the line current or phase current. This is the line current or phase current. And these are the data of this experiment. We can calculate the power factor, and here W1 plus W2, the value we will put the formula. You see the formula is given here. We can calculate the cos phi, the cos of tan inverse root 3 W1 minus W2 by W1 plus W2. By this formula, we can calculate the power factor, and we will put the W1, W2 here from your observation table. Thank you all. I think that you have understood clearly.